This presentation, created for you by BuySolar Inc., will demonstrate how solar energy can benefit your business and how current incentives are making solar energy much more affordable than you might think. But first, let's look at how solar energy can reduce your facility's annual utility expenses. This graph illustrates the typical energy usage of a commercial facility over 1 year. You can see that the energy usage is highest during the summer. This next graph shows the energy production of a solar system over that same time period. Its production peaks during the spring and summer months because there is more sunlight available. When you deduct the facility's usage from the solar energy that's produced, the result shows not only an overall significant reduction in energy from the utility, but it even generates a surplus of energy during several months. Surplus energy translates into a credit for your business. As an example, let's consider a 500 kilowatt solar system. This system will consist of 2,174 panels with a first-year electrical production of about 586,000 kilowatt hours. The initial cost of the system is roughly $2.1 million. A company purchasing this system would receive a federal investment tax credit, or ITC, in the amount of $645,000 as a cash grant, thus reducing the cost to just over $1.5 million. A new incentive from the federal government in 2011 allows an investment in a solar energy system to be written off in its entirety, meaning you'll receive up to an additional $640,000. Together, the ITC and first-year write-off incentives lower the system's price to about $865,000. The return on investment is very good. Not only will you save about $88,000 in your first year's electrical expenses, but you'll also earn more than $351,000 through the sale of solar renewable energy certificates, also referred to as SRECs, during your first year. SRECs are a financial incentive based on how much energy a system generates. Combined with your electrical savings, you'll net a total first-year return of over $439,000. After factoring in the rise of utility rates and variation of SREC prices, you can expect your cumulative income over 10 years to be approximately $2.8 million. This means your payback period is within 2.5 years. If your business chooses to finance a 500 kilowatt solar system with a principal of $1.5 million at a rate of 5% over 10 years, your average monthly income from electrical savings and SREC sales would total over $40,000, while your monthly loan payment would only be about $16,000. This results in an average monthly income of over $24,000. Over the next 10 years, your business can expect a cumulative income just under $2.5 million. As you can see, with financing, you are cash flow positive from day one. We can't stress enough how big of an impact a solar system will have on your company's finances, so we're going to compare your business's current cumulative expenses path with its potential solar savings path. Without a solar system, you can expect to be paying almost $4 million in utility expenses over the course of the next 25 years. However, if you invest in a solar system, you'll not only break even in under 4 years, but you'll start gaining a cumulative return of approximately $2.5 million over the next 25 years. That's about a $6.5 million difference between installing solar and maintaining the status quo. While there are many financial benefits of solar energy, we'd like to remind you of the environmental benefits as well. Solar energy is clean. It's profitable. It adds value to your property. It benefits the environment. Solar energy relieves the utility grid, and it protects our future. More specifically, if your facility utilizes solar energy, every year you could single-handedly prevent 197 tons of carbon dioxide from being produced, 21,800 gallons of gasoline from being consumed, or 315 tons of coal from being burned. To put it simply, investing in solar energy is CPR for your business. It's clean, it's profitable, and it's responsible. If you'd like more information regarding solar energy, please feel free to call us at 973-784-4191, send us an email at info@buysolar.com, or browse our website at www.buysolar.com.